Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to post a picture to your blog post and to make sure you credit it and show you how to credit it so that you're following blogging rules. So once you're at the English 8 blog, you're going to go to New Post, and you can post the picture before or after you put in your text. And I'm going to do it before adding any text. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to first go to Creative Commons and find the picture you want to use. And I typically use Flickr first to try to find pictures. Google Images is also sometimes pretty useful. What you want to make sure you don't do is you do not need to check these boxes here. That's going to limit your searches. You're not selling you're not using the picture to sell something, and you're not going to change the picture at all. So you don't need to click those buttons. You just want to just use the picture on the blog. So let's say I was looking for a picture of a football. It's going to bring me to all legal pictures that I can use. And let's say I like this picture here. So I'm going to click in Flickr. I'm going to click on that picture. Remember, in Flickr it gets a little tricky. You have to click on the picture and then go to View All Sizes. And you want to pick the biggest size possible. Then you're going to take that picture and you're going to drag it to your desktop. You can minimize that screen for now. You're not going to want to close it because you're going to need the Flickr account for your photo credit. To add it to the blog, you're going to go to, you can do it two ways. You can drag it in. Sometimes it'll let you do that, sometimes it won't. Didn't let me do it that time. So you're going to go to Add Media. And you can add pictures that someone else has already posted as long as you know the photo credit. As long as you have the photo credit information, that would be fine. Or you can click on Upload Files. If you can do it two ways, you can click Select File and take it from the file code in your Finder, or you can just drag it in if it's on your desktop. I think that's the easier way. It's going to load for you. And then actually I think the best way to add the photo credit is to do it later. So you're going to want to insert that into Post. Make sure you're in the visual screen. And there it is. Now, to be a responsible blogger, you have to give it a photo credit. So you click on the picture and the little picture icon in the left-hand corner, and this allows you to align it however you would like on the screen. And the photo credit goes under Caption. You write photo credit, colon, and then you find the username of the person who took the picture. If you don't know who took the picture, you can just write unknown. So I'm going to go to Flickr. I'm going to go back to my original page. The person's name is Night3. So I'm going to photo credit Night3. And most important part is actually not even the person's name, but it's the link to the person's page. So that way, if someone were to click on the picture when reading your blog post, they would be linked to where you found the picture. So I'm going to go back to that screen. I'm going to get the link, copy it, and post it in. Then I'm going to click Update, and there's your photo credit. Now let's say you have some writing on here and you don't like where your picture ended up. And let's say you want to move your picture. Well, you can't just drag it, but what you can do is you can fiddle around a little bit with the HTML code. It's actually very easy. And if you click on Text, this is the code that tells the computer what your screen should look like, and you're going to cut the picture. So this right here, the highlighted, is the code for the picture. You're going to cut it, and you can just paste it wherever you want that picture to go. And then if you go back to visual, you can see that the picture has been moved. So that's how you would move the picture. So that's how you add a picture. Now, if you want your picture to appear in the post slider, if you notice here on the screen, pictures appear. You can have a featured post. Well, in order to have a featured post, your picture has to be a certain size. So if you click on the next video, I will show you how to make your picture a certain size. But this is the general information on how to add a picture to a blog.